Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can enable the spell checking option in Google Chrome. This feature basically will enhance the sensitivity of the spelling checker in Chrome browser. So to enable that, let's click on these three dots right here. Let's click here and let's go to the settings right here. And on the left hand side, I need to select the option which says languages here. And let's enable the spell check option here, and it is doing the basic spell check by default. I'll change it to spell check. So what it will do, it will use the same spell checker that's used in Google search. Text you type in the browser is sent to Google and it's detecting this language. So that's pretty much it, and I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.